Have you been scammed by fake Kolinsky Sable brushes? No worries, the Army Painter has just released their own Kolinsky brushes. Finally! It's pretty cool that the Army Painter Scrubby Cup was shipped together with the new Masterclass Kolinsky brushes. I love Kolinsky brushes. They give me the precision that I want during layering and most especially when painting highlights. Kolinsky brushes are pricey. You will want to take extra care of them to make them last longer. Also, the cute little Scrubby Cup will help take care of your Kolinsky brushes. So, after the quick unboxing of the Scrubby Cup and the Masterclass brushes, I will share some quick tips on how to take care of your pricey Kolinsky Sable brushes and how to make them last longer in the latter part of this video. I'm Don, welcome to my channel. This channel is supported by all these awesome brands. Also, special thanks to the Army Painter for making this video possible. By the way, don't forget my discount codes and affiliate links down below. They won't cost you extra, but they will help this channel. The Scrubby Cup comes in a very small and compact box. This cup doubles as a brush cleaner. I like the teaser window at the bottom of the box. I am expecting a handful of comments below telling me that any cup will be as fine as this Scrubby Cup. So let the Scrubby Cup hate comments begin. When we were talking about this water cup during one of last year's Army Painter team meeting, I thought the cup will be black, similar to the wet palettes. I am surprised that this cup came with the official Army Painter brand color palette. Looks more fun, looks fresh to me. This scrubby part makes rinsing or even cleaning your brushes easier during and after painting. A very effective feature of this foldable Scrubby Cup. Army Painter made a good call of not attaching the scrubby thing in the actual cup. This means that you can use the scrubby thing with other cups. The actual cup is foldable or collapsible, a nice feature that makes the cup unbreakable and portable at the same time. Most of the cup is made of a silicone-like material. The rim or top of the cup is made of harder plastic though. The harder plastic keeps the shape of the cup. The harder plastic is also a more effective material for the tip shaping feature of the rim. You might notice in my videos that I almost always use my logo cup as my water cup. I then use my Crydruffy to keep my most used brushes during painting. This Scrubby Cup is like the merging of my ceramic coffee cup and my Crydruffy. This Scrubby Cup is obviously more compact than Crydruffy though. The molded brush rests around the rim of the cup is an obvious and practical feature. But the tip straightening grooves, or what I like to call brush tip shapers along the rim, is a very nice surprise. The brush tip shapers are especially effective for synthetic brushes that have flailing bristles and hook tips. The shapers are only marginally effective for good quality Kolinsky Sable brushes with nice pointy tips. Still, the brush tip shapers along the plastic rim of this silicone Scrubby Cup were a nice surprise. I must say though, that using the lines on your palm to shape your brushes is still the most effective. Using the lines on your palm with brush or hair wax to shape your brushes after cleaning is the most effective. Now let's unbox this new set of Masterclass brushes. After testing these Masterclass Kolinsky Sable brushes for a few days, I find that these are very good quality sable brushes. These are fairly different than the Kolinsky brushes that I am using a lot for the past year, though. We will get back to my thoughts on the actual quality and properties of these brushes later in the video. If you are new to natural hair Kolinsky Sable brushes, well, these are pricier brushes that are great for detailing and painting highlights. Good quality Kolinsky brushes have a nice flex or spring to them. They bounce back to their original shape during painting. They also retain their fine point very well. Both properties will give more control and precision to your painting. The easiest ways to prolong the life of your precious Kolinsky brushes are to avoid using them with metallic paints and washes. The metallic flakes in metallic paints will slowly build up in your brushes. The runny consistency of washes and speed paints will also slowly build up in the ferrule of your brushes. These types of paints will slowly kill your pricey Kolinsky brushes. This Masterclass Brush Set in particular is reasonably priced at around 60 USD per set. This is a medium-range pricing for good quality sable brushes. Definitely pricey in comparison to cheaper synthetic brushes. The price of Kolinsky Sable brushes is worth it if they are true natural hair sable brushes. True natural hair brushes will never develop severe curved tips. If you bought allegedly Kolinsky Sable brushes that develop curved tips or lose their flex after a weekend of use, I am sorry to tell you that you have been scammed. True Kolinsky Sable brushes retain their fine point and flex very well for months, even years, with proper care. These brushes, the real ones at least, are natural hair. So, take care of them similar to how you take care of your actual hair. Rinse, wash, and clean during and after use. And you will enjoy using these brushes for a long time. Now, before my final thoughts, a huge thanks to all my patrons at Patreon. The Scrubby Cup is pretty cool. A simple tool that is made more functional with some smart designs incorporated to the cup. The brush tip shaper is pretty neat. This feature is extra useful for synthetic brushes with chaotic tips. However, as mentioned earlier, I find shaping the tip of my brushes against my palm lines more effective. I must say that the scrubby silicone thing at the bottom of the cup is very effective in cleaning your brush. However, for DIY people, a sponge for dishwashing is equally effective. I love the colors of the cup and the scrubby thing. These two colors are the official palette of Army Painter after all. The underrated feature of the Scrubby Cup is the molded brush rests on the rim of the cup. The two best ways to keep the brushes that you are actively using while you are painting are 1. Laying it horizontally on the table over a piece of tissue paper, or in this case, over the rim of the cup. 2nd is to clip the brush upside down. Both methods will help preserve your brushes longer by not allowing water to stay inside the ferrule and will help preserve the shape of your precious Kolinsky Sable brushes. Now, as for the Army Painter Masterclass Kolinsky Sable brushes, the brushes seem to hold their fine point well. As expected, these brushes are real, good quality, natural sable brushes. I have been using these Masterclass brushes for the past few days now, and they are pretty good stuff. You all know I swear by my Foxbite Hobbies Kolinsky Sable brushes, and these ones are equally good, albeit different. These brushes are softer, or at least they feel softer to me. They still have good bounce or flex to them, meaning they also snap back to their general original shape during painting and rinsing. They also keep their fine point well, but they are softer. The flex is softer than how I am used to. The softer flex is great for sketching. Applying a little more pressure results to fatter strokes. Less pressure equals finer strokes. This is a very responsive Kolinsky brush. Very responsive to how much pressure you apply to your every stroke. Pretty good stuff. I just need to extensively use these brushes on my next few projects to get used to the softer flex though. Now, do I recommend both the Scrubby Cup and the Masterclass Brush Set? Of course I do. I am a member of the Army Painter Factory team after all. Seriously though, both are way better than I expected. Most especially the Masterclass Brush Set. That's it, Pansit. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, and all that stuff. Until next video, guys. Bye!